Maricopa County in south-central Arizona until 10 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 9:14 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Tucson and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Phoenix, Glendale, Avondale, Goodyear, Tucson, Levine, Cashin, Glendale Sports Complex, Arizona State Fairgrounds, Phoenix International Raceway, downtown Peoria, downtown Glendale, and Camelback Ranch. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 10 between mile markers 128 and 144. Arizona Interstate 17 between mile markers 199 and 202. Plus Highway 60 between mile markers 150 and 160. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona. The current time is 9:17 p.m. Mountain Standard Time.